everybody. Welcome back to Storytime with Miss B. Today, we're going to continue with our Three Little Pig stories with the Three Little Super Pigs. Can't wait to see what happens. I love a good superhero book, don't you? So, the Three Little Super Pigs is written and illustrated by Claire Evans. So, the writer's the author. The pictures are done by the illustrator. They're also known as illustrations. Once upon a time, there were three little pigs who captured the big bad wolf in a house made of bricks. The hungry wolf fell down the little pig's chimney into a big pan of boiling water. He huffed and he puffed, but it was no use. He had fallen right into the pig's trap. "I'll get you one day, little pigs," the angry wolf shouted as he was carted off to prison. With smiles on their snouts, the three little pigs waved goodbye to the big bad villain. Different starting point for this story. Did you notice? The citizens of Fairyland were very happy that the big bad wolf had been defeated. The little pigs were awarded special superhero status and became known as the Three Little Super Pigs. Working together, they all rebuilt the whole town out of bricks to help keep everyone safe. "We love you, Super Pigs!" From that moment on, the Super Pigs spent all their days being heroes and enjoying their newfound fame. When they weren't greeting their fans, they were fighting crime and stopping nursery rhyme bad guys. Notice her? Meanwhile, deep inside, happily never after prison, the very angry big bad wolf was hungrily plotting his revenge in his cold, dreary cell. Looks like he's doing a lot of reading. A few weeks later, the Super Pigs were called to investigate a new crime. Mysteriously, one by one, the bricks were starting to disappear all around Fairyland. This was very strange. The Super Pigs were on the case. Later that day, they received some shocking news. The big bad wolf has escaped! Yikes! The residents of Fairyland were scared and once again turned to the Super Pigs for help. "Don't worry," the three pigs heroes boasted. "We'll find that wolf and make him pay." The three little Super Pigs hunted high and low, far and wide, and long and hard, but the big bad wolf was nowhere to be seen. Not sure they're looking as good as they should. The pigs searched everywhere for clues. Some people claimed they'd seen the wolf dressed up as an old lady. So the pigs rounded up all the grandmas in Fairyland. But the wolf was a master of disguise, and they just couldn't spot him. I bet you can. Did you see him? I know I did. Every day, more and more bricks disappeared from Fairyland. As night fell, the whole town locked themselves indoors, too frightened to go out. They hoped the Super Pigs would find that wolf soon. He was up to something big and bad. If you notice the buildings, you can see where the bricks are missing. So our illustrator is helping to show what our author has wrote. Back at home, the first Super Pig was relaxing when he sensed something strange. Suddenly, a dark shadow fell upon the room. "The big bad wolf!" cried the Super Pig. I don't need to huff, and I don't need to puff, and I don't need to blow your house in because I'm already in, replied the pointy-eared wolf. The pig ran out the front door, but he was met with a terrible surprise. I wonder what it could be. Do you wonder? Asking that question is something good readers do. The cunning, smart wolf had built a giant wall around the super pig's houses using the stolen bricks from fairyland. The super pig was trapped. Attempting to flee, the super pig tried to climb the brick wall using a ladder from the side of his house, but it was too short. Gotcha, sneered the wolf as he captured the helpless pig. Unaware of the danger, the second super pig was at home polishing his metals when suddenly he spotted something out of the corner of his eye. The big bad wolf! Shrieked the super pig. I don't need to huff. I don't need to puff. I don't need to blow your house down because I'm already inside, growled the wolf. With a huge scream, the terrified super pig quickly ran outside and into the enormous brick wall. Desperate to escape, the little pig jumped on a nearby trampoline, bouncing as high as he could, but it was no use. Gotcha, boasted the wolf as he caught the pig in his trusty net. 2 down, 1 to go, laughed the wolf as he prepared his delicious meal. I wonder what he thinks the main course is gonna be. The third super pig had heard all the commotion. That's a big fancy word for all the noise. And was busy hatching a plan when the big bad wolf suddenly appeared at his window. The super pig grabbed his gear and raced straight out the front door and down the path as quick as his little legs could carry him. Wonder where he thinks he's going to go. Working quickly, he freed the captured brothers from their tight pastry blankets, but it was not quick enough. Oh, guess what? The wolf was making pigs in blankets. We make that at my house, so I'm finding it very funny. Ha, ha, ha. There's nowhere to run and nowhere to hide. I've built a wall around your houses and now you're trapped inside, laughed the hungry wolf. You're no super pigs. You're my dinner. I don't think so, shouted the third superhero. He whispered to his brothers, ready, set, let's go. And in a flash, they blasted off high into the night sky. The clever brother had outsmarted the silly wolf again, using his jetpack invention to save the day. The super pigs had left the big bad wolf trapped in his own self-built brick prison. The angry wolf raised his fists. I'll get you yet, little pigs! Up in the sky, the 3 super pigs laughed out loud. You'll never get us, not by the hair on our chinny chin chins. And down below, the citizens of Fairylands cheered, wow, pigs really can fly. The 3 little pigs had saved Fairyland from the big bad wolf. Once again, they truly were superheroes. Hooray for the 3 little super pigs! The end? He's reading again. Doesn't look like a good sign. And that is the end of The Three Little Super Pigs by Claire Evans. I hope you enjoyed this. Snip, snap, snap. Story time's all told out. See you again soon. Bye, everybody.